Burnt it once, yeah me too. Now we're cooking like pros, kinda it'll do. Flipping it wrong, but it still tastes right. Bushcrafty Cooks, we feast tonight. And as always, happy cooking.
Hey guys, welcome back. Bushcrafty Cooks once more. And we got a tomato. Unfortunately, with the heat and everything, they look pretty gnarly. A lot of green on here and everything. So we're going to cut in this and hopefully show you guys how to make a good... And these are purple Cherokee tomatoes. So we're going to go ahead and slice them up. See what we get into here. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Very juicy, as you can see. What I like to do, let me put this aside. It's not going to be a very big tomato sandwich. Probably about like that. Okay, what I like to do is put my slices like this. And then first I put my pepper on really good. Make sure it's coming out. Like so. And then I get my salt, which I got pink Himalayan salt. And I'll sprinkle that on there like so. And this is just a snack right there. Get that all set in there because it has to have time to incorporate into the tomato. Also, what I like to do is get a little garlic powder. Sprinkle on there like this. Brings that out really good. Not too much. Just lightly coat everything. That up there. Now just let that set the way it is. Now for our next part of this, get us some good bread. Unfortunately, I couldn't find some good bread at the moment. Everybody was out of the homemade stuff, so store-bought. This is 12 grain bread. And then has to be Duke's. If you don't like Duke's, then get what you want. Most of the other stuff is very bad for you. So far, Duke's is still sticking with their original recipe thing. Go ahead and lather up your mayonnaise, your Duke's. Put it on there real good. We need a little bit more. There we go. As you can see, I like to get it on there really nice. You can put it on both sides of the bread if you like. I like putting it on just one side. And now we got to arrange the tomatoes on here somehow. And it's uneven, but I don't care. Sliding all over the place. Boy, look at the color in that tomato. Oh boy, it looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna try and maneuver my other piece of bread over here like this. Now, everybody that I've seen that shows you how to make a tomato sandwich, they slice it and so you can see the middle of it. Why bother? I just eat it. So here we go. Get away, fly. This is mine. That's what it's all about. Oh, man. Nothing better than garden fresh tomatoes on a slice of bread with Duke's mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Oh, yeah. That's good stuff. With that, I won't bid you guys farewell and eat the rest of my sandwich. I might actually make me another one. Until next time, like always, happy cooking.